Hello everyone, this is Vijay Kumar, Math faculty. Heartily welcome to my channel, Vedic Brilliant Math Educator. Already we started a new program, Learn with Smart Way. It is the way how to get 10 by 10 in the board examination. Follow regularly and achieve your goal. Today I am going to explain one of the most important long answer type problem. We can expect like these problems in the board examination. Keep on watching, don't miss the video till the end. It will helpful for you. One more thing, I am requesting you, if you are watching first time of my video, just subscribe the channel. If you did not watch the previous video, then do watch the previous video by clicking this I button. As well as you can go through with the playlist also. Coordinate geometry, one of the most important long answer type problem. Prove that 2, minus 2, minus 2, 1 and 5, 2 are the vertices of a right angle triangle. Also find area of the triangle and the length of the hypotenuse. Let us see what is given in this problem. So prove that 2, minus 2, minus 2, 1 and 5, 2 are the vertices of right angle triangle. If it is a right angle triangle, we know that formula. Or that one, hypotenuse square equal side square plus side square. If it is satisfies hypotenuse square equal side square plus side square, so the given vertices are belongs to right angle triangle. So now we can see the solution. Now I am constructing the right angle triangle. This is 2, minus 2 and minus 2, 1 and 5, 2. This is A of 5, 2, B of 2, minus 2, C of 2, minus 2, 1 you have to take. Now, so here we need to find distance between AB we need to find, distance between AC we need to find, and distance between BC we need to find, distance between AC. Three sides we need to find. So if we can get, if it is satisfies hypotenuse square equals side square plus side squares, the given vertices are belongs to right angle triangle. Now you can see here the distance between A of 5, 2, B of 2, minus 2 equal under root that formula first I am writing x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square, that equal. So here A coordinates are, this is x1 and y1, this is x2 y2, x1 y1 x2 y2. Now we have to sub, you can substitute here x2 means 2 minus x1 value is 5 whole square plus y2 value is minus 2 minus y1 value is 2 whole square, that equal under root 2 minus 5 we can get minus 3 whole square plus minus 2 both are minus, we can add minus 4 whole square we can get. So minus 3 whole square means minus 3 into minus 3, minus 3 into minus 3, minus into minus plus 3 3s are 9 plus minus 4 whole square. Minus 4 whole square means minus 4 into minus 4, minus into minus plus 4 into 4 16. So that value we can get 9 plus 16, that is 25. Root 25 value is 5, that is 5 units. Now we got it here. Distance between AB we got it. Now we can find BC. So the distance between B of 2, minus 2 and C of minus 2, 1 equal. Here coordinates, B coordinates are x1, y1, the C coordinates are x2, y2 under root. So you can apply the formula. What is the formula? Under root x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. x2 means minus 2 minus x1 value 2 whole square plus y2 value is 1 minus of minus 2 whole square. That equal here minus 2 both are minus, you can add it, minus 4 whole square plus minus into minus plus 2 plus 1 is 3 whole square. That equal minus 4 whole square value is 16 plus 3 square value is 9. That equal 16 plus 9 25. Root 25 value is 5 units. Now here we got it. Distance between AB we got it. Distance between BC also we got. Next you can find out distance between AC you can find. So the distance between A of 5 comma 2 and C of minus 2 comma 1 equal under root. So here A coordinates are x1 y1, C coordinates are x2 y2. So x2 minus x1 whole square means minus 2 x1 5 whole square plus y2 value is 1 minus y1 value is 2 whole square. That equal minus 2 minus 5, that value we can get minus 7 whole square plus 1 minus 2, that is minus 1 whole square. That equal minus 7 whole square. Minus 7 whole square means minus 7 into minus 7. Minus into minus plus 7 into 7 49 plus 1 minus 1 whole square value is 1. So 49 plus 1 is root 50 units. Now we got the distance. This side we got it, AB side we got it, BC side also we got, AC side also we got. Now we can check the if it is a right angle triangle means we know that formula. We can apply the formula. What that formula? Hypotenuse square equal side square plus side square. If ABC is a right triangle ABC is right angle triangle. Hypotenuse square. Hypotenuse means here this is AC square equal one side is AB square plus BC square. So AC distance between A and C. So how much we got it here? Root 50 whole square equal distance between AB we got 5 whole square plus BC. Distance between BC we got here 5 units only, 5 whole square. So 50 equal 5 square value is 25 plus 5 square value is 25. So 50 equal 25 plus 25 is 50. So we got LHS and RHS, we got it equal. LHS equal RHS. So LHS equal RHS means hypotenuse square equal side square plus side square, we got it. So the given vertices form a right angle triangle or not? Now we can write it. Therefore, the given points form a right angle triangle. Right angle triangle. Here one more they asked, area of the triangle they asked, and length of the hypotenuse also asked. So we got the length of the hypotenuse, we got it here. How much we got it? That is root 50 units we got. Now I will clean and I will find the area of the triangle. The area of the triangle, area of the right angle triangle equal 1 by 2 base into height. So that equal 1 by 2 into base. base here BC into height. Height how much? AB. That equal 1 by 2 into base. Base we got it. BC we got 5 units and AB we got it 5 units. 5 5s are 25 by 2. 2 ones are 2 12.5. That equal 12.5 square units. So area of the triangle we got it 12.5 square units. Again they asked the length of the hypotenuse also asked. That one also you can write it. Therefore the area of the right angle triangle equal 12.5 square units. The length of the hypotenuse equal. The length of the hypotenuse we got it here. Distance between AC we got root 50 units. Dear students and viewers who need this video, please share. It is helpful for others also. Suggest them to subscribe the channel. I hope like these problems are very clear for you. Practice well. We will meet in the next video. Don't forget the like and comment. Don't forget the subscribe the channel. This is Vijay Kumar signing out. Thank you. Thank you very much.